Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Sophie here, and today I'm going to show you how you can hide your number on your Huawei P60 Pro. Maybe you want to, I don't know, fool someone, you want to be surprised that you're calling, or well, whatever else it is. We will go to our phone symbol there, go to the dots here, go to settings, and then go to more. And now you want to go to caller ID, and now you can say network default, hide number, or show number. We want to hide our number, so number hidden and outgoing calls. If you've done that, you can just go back and then make your calls. And if you ever want to undo that again, you just need to go back to your phone. I can go to the little dots here, go to settings, to more, and then go to caller ID and set it to network default. Then your number is displayed on outgoing calls using the default carrier settings. So that's how you can hide your number on outgoing calls. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.